There's a Cloud of Jedi here from the Star Wars action figure review. Today we'll be reviewing a Star Wars Legacy Collection Evolutions Imperial Pilot Legacy Series 1. It comes with 2 clone pilots and Biggs Darklighter from Star Wars of the Empire. Okay, eventually I believe the story is that he's Luke Skywalker's friend from back in Tatooine. He manages to get off Tatooine about a year earlier and go to the Imperial Academy to learn how to fly. And I guess this is him in his TIE Fighter outfit as an Imperial before he goes to the Rebellion and dies on the first Death Star. Okay, let's take a look at the packaging, then we'll get a closer look at the actual action figures. Okay, this is Star Wars Legacy Collection Evolutions. Got an image of Biggs Darklighter there in his TIE Fighter uniform, Imperial uniform. Behind him is a Revenge of the Sith clone. And to the right, with the blue and white markings, that would be a Clone Wars. Okay, Clone Pilot, Revenge of the Sith, and Biggs Darklighter, Star Wars Empire, Darklighter. Imperial Pilot Legacy. Okay, let's take a look at the top. This was Series 1. There was a second series of this. The image on the side. Imperial Pilot Legacy. The legacy of the Imperial pilots twists and turns from the mysterious origins to grim reality and regained nobility. They're the best of the best. Their skills are never less than superb. But the goals for which they fight are not always clear or right. Clone pilots are heroes when they aid the Jedi during the Clone Wars. But these same clone pilots change from friends to foes after Order 66. Later, Biggs Darklighter aspires to be an Imperial pilot, but gives up this dream for a greater one, freedom for the galaxy. Okay, here we got clone pilot with removable helmet in white and gray outfit from Revenge of the Sith. He kind of reminds me of one of those ARC 170 fighters pilots. You got Biggs Darklighter, Star Wars Empire Darklighter. I guess they go into more detail his story between Tatooine and the first Death Star in the comics. You've got a clone pilot, the Clone Wars, in blue and white. Okay. Let's take a good look at the action figures themselves. First, I'm going to start off with Biggs Darklighter. Okay, here we got Biggs Darklighter. Oops. He has a holster that his pistol fits in rather nicely for. Okay. He's got wrist. Oh, here's a good shot of the pistol itself. Oops. It's got a pretty well articulated figure. The chest plate comes off. Okay. Helmet fits very nice and securely on him. Okay, so Biggs Lighters had at least 3 action figures that I know of. We've got him, the most recently would be in this Legacy pack that I know of, where he's an Imperial pilot. Previous to that, there was came with a stand, Biggs Darklighter, Rebel pilot, in his first Death Star outfit. Okay, and then he was also available with a black cloak in sort of his rebel sort of casual, I guess, uniform right there. Okay, here's a closer look at Big's Darklighter. The helmet comes off of the chest plate. The chest plate can be removed from the chest. But right now, let's go ahead and put the helmet on so we can get a good look at him. See how the helmet fits on his head. See if I can do this with one finger. And I can. You know, overall, it's okay. Okay. Doesn't fit amazingly, but it fits well enough. And to be quite honest, he's someone who I'd probably display without the helmet on. Okay, overall he's a pretty decent figure. Okay, now we have the Clone Wars clone pilot. Markings are pretty nice. I say they go well with the ARC 170 fighter that I have over there. Okay. Not a bad figure. Once again, the chest plate is here. It kind of hangs down from his helmet. The last one is Revenge of the Sith, ARC 170 fighter, which is pretty much what he looks like to me, at least. And there we go. So this was the Closet Jedi review of Star Wars Legacy Evolutions pack, Imperial pack, Series 1 of the Imperial Pilots. Thanks for watching.